Hey, what is up, you guys? F1Ash2004 here. So today, what I am doing is I am actually gonna be hosting another tournament. Well, this is gonna be the first one that I ever recorded, and the people that I am competing against, it is Kawiya, FaZe Razor, Sliced Yam, Toy Story Golfer, and TTV Shot, which are all my friends that were Who is this, bro? Oh my gosh, bro. Whoever I just whited. Wow. Oh my, bro. We're gonna switch up the teams just a little bit. Not right now, though. Oh, wait. Accidentally blocked you off. Oh my, bro. Who is this? I died like right away. Wait. What? The This is embarrassing, you guys. Oh my. This is so. Oh my god. No, I'm not deleting my YouTube video. Hecky no. No, I'm not. This is fun. Oh! There was. What the? All I can see. Literally, all I can see in the kill feed is all of you guys 200 pumping each other. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is funny. I love this. If you got. No, not fifth. No. We should, and then we can switch up the teams if you guys want to make this a long video. Oh my, bro. It sucks so bad. Dude. Well, what on this is round 4, okay. Oh, let's go. Let's go, our first win, finally. Finally, bro. I know. I know. Okay, I accidentally placed the pyramid. Oh. Whoever is pushing me, I'm literally dead. I'm so dead, bro. I don't know. Who? What? Oh no. Oh, David. 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 This is so, man. Yeah, 4-1. I thought you guys had 5. Because it's round 6. Oh my, bro. Imagine missing all those shots. Let's go. Oh, okay. FaZe Razor is literally there. Can I ask how you missed that? Let's go. Yeah. But isn't this fun though? Instead of having to do pubs. Hey, yes sir. Dude. I'm so bad. I don't know what it is. I know. What? Oh my gosh. Yeah, 15 rounds. Let's do this. Oh man. Okay, it's not winning me. Bruh. No, 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 no. I can't even spray. Dead? Dead? Oh my! No way! I just took out all three of you. Whew. Yeah, you're gonna see it in the video. I'm not even lying. Oh my god. No, I didn't stop recording. It's still going. GG's. Oh my gosh. If you want me to... What time do you guys want, what's it called? Want me to end it? Do you guys want it to be a 3-minute video or... The... How about this? I'll have it at a 30-minute video. Korea's in my box. Nah, I'm gonna do 30. I'm gonna do 30 to make it more fun. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so around 15. So around 15 we can switch up the teams. No, 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 we're switching up the teams. I'm sorry to break up your friendship. I'm kinda down, actually. Oh, it's this man's wall. What? No, bro. I know what I'm gonna title this video. No, 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 I'm gonna title this video playing my first tournament back, fun and toxic. Gee, who is this? Kick this man. Just kick the man and make the party on private. Whoever you people are that are joining, like literally stop joining. Cause we don't know who you are. GG's, let's go! Let's go, bro. Oh, I'm dead. I'm so... Oh my god. Oh man. 8-3. I'm a little bit impressed. Yeah, around 15. I know. Literally, I like this. GG's. GG's? No way, I knocked 2 of you. I knocked 2 of you, let's go. Let's go! Let's go. I knocked 2 of you again. Bro, this is so fun. Yeah. GG's. He's dead. What? I mean, oh my god, bro. No, I won 30 phase razor and then I... Wait, did you guys res? Okay. Hold on, did any of you kill TTV or no? Okay. Whew. Oh my god, I love the comms in this, bro. Oh. I can't even hear anything with us spraying, like, so much. I know, I mean... Free cash? GG's. Let's go, bro. Whew. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Yeah, this is the last round until we switch teams. Yeah. Oh wait, he's low, he's low, he's low. One shot. Just spray in. Ah, dang it. Let's go! You can get the res off if you want. No way! Let's go! Let's go! This is the last round, right? Okay. Hold on, whoever started it ended. And we can switch up the teams. Oh my gosh, bro, GG's. Team 2, okay. It was a really close game, 9-6. Whew. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Let me switch to team 2. And you're staying on the same... you're staying on this team. Okay. Yep, it is. We just switched up the teams a little bit. It's so fair. Right on. I have visuals on, so I see them. TTV is on me. I may be dead here. Oh, Robert just killed me. Damn. Nah, he isn't. Oh man, this is so fun though. Oh man. Oh, I am starting to lag. Ah, okay, that makes sense. No. Dang good. We're probably gonna get like 15 out. I know. Oh my, bro. Jeez. I think that was... I don't know. My audio keeps cutting out though, which is bad. TT. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, bro. Dane. Oh, I was trying to crawl back. Yeah. No, bro. We are. We probably are. Oh my gosh. That's what I've been doing for the past 20 minutes, but I'm not good on camera. Oh, on video, I should say. I see you, Robert. I can see you peeking through the... I'm dead. Wow. You love to get sprayed, eh? Hold on, I'm coming. I can't... GG's? Oh my god, bro. TTV is left. TTV is left. Easy claps. Let's go! Hey, that's our first win, but I'm happy. The video has now hit 20 minutes and 12 seconds. Are you sure you were lagging? I like that cap. I'm trying to spray in whoever's box this is. That all. I can kind of hear, and then my audio keeps cutting out. I feel like I need to get a new mic since my audio keeps cutting out and I can't hear you guys. I hit TTV 100. Oh my, bro. I'm dead. Oh my gosh. Wait, no. That dude's not easy. Oh my, bro. You know what? I'm gonna make this a 40-minute video. Okay, fine. I'm kidding. I accidentally shot. Hold on, who is this that's shooting? Well, let's go. Free cash, dog water. GG's. Oh man. I love this. This is so fun. To sun water battle. Buddy, who is this? And it's TTV, of course. I get matched up with him every single time. Oh my god. Ooh. No way. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, we'll see about that. We'll see about that. Oh, I'm dead. There's two of them. They're probably gonna res. Oh my gosh. Oh my, bro. I got you. Oh my god. If he is dog water phase raiser, then how did he? I'm not even gonna talk. I'm not even gonna talk. Let's go, GG's. My audio keeps cutting out, which I do not like. No. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Hold on, Coolio. Dane. Dane, we're gonna get blown out. I don't think I have. Jeez, bro. Hello, Robert. I'm dead. No way I can. No. I hate this how all of our audios keep cutting out. Yeah, I don't know. I think it was me, but I'm not sure. Here, let me see. Nope, it wasn't even me. I don't know who it was. Okay. I'm actually gonna switch to Team 1 because I don't think I've ever been on. Okay, here. Let me get on Team 1. Are you actually? I don't know. Switch. Yeah, it all seems fair. Okay, this is gonna be the West round, and then I'm gonna end off the video, and I'm gonna post it. Hold on, don't kill us, don't kill us. GG's, Robert. 0 VR, get out of my game. I got you. Don't worry. I got you with it. Let's go! That's because I came from above. Let's go, boys. Okay. Hold on, no one kill us. No one kill us. TTV wants to show us Buddy. Yeah. Oh wait, here, add it here. Never mind. Oh my bro, I can't. My audio keeps cutting out as well. I don't know what it is. They're all on you. They're all on you. They're all on you. I'm a little bit of... Man, bro. Okay, I need to fix this audio thing. I don't know what it is. Maybe turn on the music all the way. Dane. I just got eliminated. Oh, Dane. Oh no, bro. What? I'm literally pushing people, bro. Yeah, I do. Two likes and I'll spray people in my next video. Oh my gosh. Hold on, who's left?